Hi guys, in this video we're going to look into opacity maps, which is going to allow us to add transparency to our model. This is very similar to the emissive map video, but there's a few extra little steps that we need to go through. So again, I'm going to go to my texture settings. So here was that emissive map that I added in my last video. I'm just going to hit the plus and have a look for opacity here. So again, I've now added opacity on there. So if I now make a new fill layer, I should be able to see the opacity and alter this. Now you'll notice it's not doing anything here. Okay, so what we need to do here is we actually need to change the shader that we're using. So the shader we're using is PBR Metal Rough there. I'm going to click on that and I'm looking for this one here, PBR Metal Rough with alpha blending. If I turn that on, we should now start to get this transparency happening on our model here. So if I just take that further towards the other end, it's going to get more and more transparent. Okay, so this is how you would add transparency to your model. Fairly simple, but do remember to change that shader there. Generally, you would dual layer anything that's going to be transparent, so you'd have two planes in there, because at the moment I can see all the way through to the other side, which looks a bit wrong. I can kind of see the inside of it there. So your model does massively depend on how you set up your mesh for how good your opacity is going to look to make that transparent there. Okay, so in this video we've looked into opacity maps, very similar to the way you add them. We just need to change that shader to make sure that it is going to be that alpha blending shader there.